Hey everyone, it's Aj. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. It's so great to connect with you all again on the importance of staying fit and healthy, especially as we age. Maintaining our health and fitness is not just about looking good, but feeling good and living our best lives. We all know that exercise is important, but it becomes even more crucial as we get older. Our bodies change, and staying active helps us adapt to those changes more gracefully. Regular physical activity can help us maintain our independence, keep doing the things we love, and live longer, healthier lives. Imagine being able to play with your grandchildren, tend to your garden, or travel without feeling limited by your physical condition. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Exercise? At my age? It can seem daunting, especially if you haven't been active for a while. Trust me, I get it. The idea of starting a new exercise routine can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. It's all about finding what works for you and taking it one step at a time. But staying active doesn't have to mean intense workouts or joining a gym. You don't need to lift heavy weights or run marathons to reap the benefits of exercise. There are plenty of gentle and effective exercises that are perfect for seniors. Activities like Tai Chi, yoga, and even simple chair exercises can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. In this video, we're going to be talking about 7 essential exercises that are great for anyone over the age of 60. These exercises are designed to improve your strength, balance, flexibility, and overall fitness. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're looking for some new exercises to add to your routine, these moves are a great place to start. So, let's jump in and discover how you can stay active, healthy, and happy at any age. Let's start with the simplest and most accessible exercise: walking. It's an activity that requires no special equipment, no gym membership, and can be done almost anywhere. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, walking is always an option. Walking is a fantastic, low-impact activity that's great for your heart, your joints, and your overall health. It helps to improve cardiovascular fitness, strengthen bones, and boost muscle power and endurance. Plus, it's a wonderful way to clear your mind and reduce stress. Before you start, make sure you have a good pair of supportive shoes. Proper footwear can prevent injuries and make your walking experience more comfortable. Look for shoes that provide good arch support, cushioning, and a snug fit. Start with a 10 to 15 minute walk at a comfortable pace. This will help your body get used to the new activity. You don't need to rush. The goal is to get moving and enjoy the process. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your walks. Try adding 5 minutes to your walk each week, or pick up the pace for a more vigorous workout. You can also incorporate hills or varied terrain to challenge yourself further. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. It's important to stay hydrated and rest if you feel any discomfort. Walking should be a pleasurable activity, not a painful one. Walking is about enjoying the journey, not pushing yourself to the limit. Take time to appreciate your surroundings, whether it's the beauty of nature, the architecture of your neighborhood, or the company of a walking buddy. Even a short walk every day can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Consistency is key. Aim to make walking a regular part of your routine, and you'll soon notice improvements in your mood, energy levels, and overall fitness. So get out there, enjoy the fresh air, and start stepping your way to a healthier you. Remember, every step counts, and the journey to fitness begins with that first step. Happy walking! Now, let's move on to chair yoga, a gentle and adaptable form of yoga that's perfect for seniors of all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or have been practicing yoga for years, chair yoga offers a way to enjoy the benefits of yoga without the need for a mat or the ability to get up and down from the floor. Chair yoga can help you improve your flexibility, balance, and range of motion, all while seated comfortably. This makes it an excellent option for those with limited mobility or anyone looking for a low-impact exercise routine. By incorporating chair yoga into your daily routine, you can enhance your overall well-being and maintain your independence. One of the best things about chair yoga is that you can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even at the office, chair yoga is incredibly versatile. You don't need a special studio or equipment, just a chair and a few minutes of your time. This flexibility makes it easy to fit into your schedule, no matter how busy you are. All you need is a sturdy chair and a little bit of space. Make sure the chair is stable and doesn't have wheels. A dining chair or any chair with a firm seat and back support works perfectly. Clear a small area around you to ensure you have enough room to stretch and move comfortably. There are many different chair yoga poses you can try, from gentle twists to seated forward bends. Each pose is designed to target different muscle groups and improve your flexibility. For example, seated forward bends can help stretch your back and hamstrings, while gentle twists can improve your spinal mobility and digestion. You can also try poses like seated cat-cow, which helps to loosen up your spine and improve your posture. Focus on moving slowly and smoothly, and remember to breathe deeply throughout each pose. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your muscles and calm your mind, making your practice more effective and enjoyable. Pay attention to your body's signals and never push yourself into a position that feels uncomfortable or painful. The goal is to find a balance between effort and ease. Chair yoga is a great way to stay limber and relaxed, so find a quiet spot, grab a chair and give it a try. Whether you're looking to start your day with a gentle stretch or wind down in the evening, chair yoga can be a wonderful addition to your routine. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can help you maintain your physical health and mental well-being. So take a seat, breathe deeply, and enjoy the benefits of chair yoga from the comfort of your home. Let's move on to resistance band workouts, a fantastic way to build strength and improve muscle tone using light portable resistance bands. These bands come in different strengths, so you can choose the ones that are right for your fitness level. You can do a variety of exercises with resistance bands, targeting different muscle groups. Some popular exercises include bicep curls, tricep extensions, and lateral raises. Start with a light resistance band and gradually increase the resistance as you get stronger. Focus on maintaining good form and controlling the movement throughout the exercise. Resistance band workouts are a convenient and effective way to stay strong and maintain your independence as you age. Now let's dive into water aerobics, a low-impact exercise that's perfect for seniors who want a fun and refreshing workout. Water aerobics is easy on your joints while still providing a great cardiovascular workout. You can find water aerobics classes at most local pools or fitness centers. These classes are typically led by experienced instructors who guide you through a variety of movements. Water aerobics is a social activity too, so it's a great way to meet new people and make friends. So grab your swimsuit, head to the pool, and enjoy the benefits of this invigorating workout. Let's explore the ancient art of Tai Chi, a mind-body practice that involves slow, flowing movements and deep breathing. Tai Chi is known for its many health benefits, including improved balance, coordination, and stress reduction. Tai Chi is often described as meditation in motion because it requires you to focus on your breath and your body's movements. This focus can help calm your mind and improve your overall well-being. You can find Tai Chi classes at community centers, parks, and fitness studios. It's a low-impact exercise that can be adapted for people of all fitness levels. So why not give Tai Chi a try and experience the tranquility and health benefits it offers? Now let's focus on strengthening our lower body with leg lifts. Strong legs are essential for maintaining balance, preventing falls, and staying mobile as we age. You can do leg lifts using a chair for support. Simply sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. Then, extend one leg out in front of you, hold for a few seconds, and slowly lower it back down. Start with a few repetitions on each leg and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Leg lifts are a simple yet effective way to strengthen your lower body and improve your stability. Finally, let's work on our upper body strength with arm curls. Strong arms are important for everyday activities like carrying groceries, opening jars, and getting dressed. You can do arm curls using light dumbbells or even soup cans. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor. Hold a weight in each hand and slowly curl your arms upward, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Start with a weight that you can comfortably lift for 8 to 10 repetitions. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight or the number of repetitions. Arm curls are a great way to maintain upper body strength and make everyday tasks easier. So there you have it, 7 essential exercises that are perfect for seniors over 60. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help you improve your strength, flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and keep on moving.